The spreads on this are a little dangerous. Are you kidding me? Do you see this? What a bunch of malarkey. I'm not happy right now. I just feel no motivation. There, I used to sell on the ask. I finally caught a winning trade. It's like, frick. Big buyer in there, too. What the? Dude, I'm getting the worst fills in the history of fills. I'm just going small size because, again, I'm in kind of trader rehab mode. And I already kind of started to take kind of bigger losses. So just notice how I'm on small size here. It's not because I think this is the worst stock in the world, but it's pretty close. Nah, it's not the worst stock. It's just a little tricky to get filled nicely. Yeah, I bought a little high as well. Oh, shoot. That is just too bad. What a bundle of joy this is. What? What a bunch of baloney. This one is very tricky. You kind of have to almost hold it a little bit because if you sell market right away, then I just get filled on the bid drops out and I get filled low. Mm. Hmm. Not the best. Not the. We don't get a whole lot of stability with this bit in the ask. I think that's part of the problem. I already feel frustrated. We're only like 5 minutes into the day. Ah, man. Well. Ah, shit. Shoot. This thing might be coming down harder now. I didn't get aggressive enough on the first. Okay, I gotta stay out of this thing. Down $400 again on it. It's definitely not that great. Price action's just not there on it. I mean the kind of like the bid and the ask are not that behaving that well. Simon Colby. Just going small size. Tried to buy that dip there. Obviously, it didn't work. So we're just in a little bit of a tricky market here. I'm going to probably log in. Well, might be 3 red days in a row. I'm hoping to keep this red day tight, though. I'm down $600 on this thing already. I'm not getting anywhere with it. It just really is a piece of garbage. I'm gonna have to default and say that I don't trust this after what we had Weeza do yesterday. A double shot of whiskey. That's too bad. I feel a Christmas tree on this thing. That's the kind of market we're in, is Christmas tree. I know that bid is slow to come up and quick to drop out. Yeah, I really did a big spike there at the open, and I suppose some people got a hold of that. I did not. So it's already just like shorts are just gonna have so much fun. Wow. Maybe we should all just walk away now. This is not good action. We are now below VWAP on that. There we go. Yep. Wow, I did 64. I could have got more. I should have just kept holding. Watch this rip all the way back up. Okay, I got back to green though. 27 bucks. GME. Hauled down on this. Damn. Dang. I got kind of a W pattern here that may or may not work. Or do I need to get back over to 3? I don't see anything moving on here. That's interesting. In that case, I'm going to stay out of it. FFIE. Not the price I like. Unfortunately. Bastard. This is such a freaking headache. Such a freaking headache today. 69 likes. Perfect. Oh, we don't need likes. I don't need them. So got out of the red. That's something to be happy about, but you know, this is normal. This is not like some like oh, what's going on with the market? Is the market dead? Like this is how it's always been. So it's called ebb and flow. This is the kind of market that calls the herd. CULL. So I knew that was kind of a stupid trade. No, I'm not green anymore. Is this thing something I could short? I would maybe short here. I need friends, not money. And when I mean friend, I mean girlfriend. Oh, shoot. totally. Wow. 195 red. Man, maybe I should just take that. Maybe I should just take that. If you buy high on this, you're going to get in trouble. What's this? FFIE does look good price action wise. Good thing I didn't mess with that. Oh, wow. So it does end up going. I knew that was. I guess I didn't know it was going to happen, but it's just a little choppy up and down this one a lot. That might be it for this one. What else is moving? Nothing on my scanner. Sub dollars are moving. TPHS. But so is LFLY. Frick. Ah, I caught the flush. The problem is I bet you it's going to come back up. Or is it not? Nope. 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 No. Yeah. Yeah. Can we be surprised at this thing flush right there? I'm honestly not. I'm honestly not. Yeah, yeah. According to my ex, I was okay, but let's just say, I'm not gonna say anything. Actually, darn it. Wasn't that great of action on this one. Sub dollar. Yeah. That's too bad. $25 there. Woo! You gotta use way bigger size on these ones. But this is sub-dollar. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. So hard to find someone from other countries. Yes, yes, indeed. I don't know. Yeah, that might be it for the day, I guess. It's too bad. I don't see how we're gonna make money today. That might be all she wrote, boys. That might be all she wrote. Like, for a second there, I was thinking, LFLY is heating up. This thing might take off. As soon as I started to think that, then it flushes. So it's just your bias can change in a split second. And you have to, especially if you're trading low floats, right? Because the direction of the price changes so quick. And so you have to be sensitive to data coming out of your screen that, either is bullish or negative or bearish in your mind. And you got to be quick to react. Because you go from sitting here saying high day break, now you're sitting here and you're testing potentially low of day. You try to catch a rebound, although I feel as though that might be exactly what I need not to do. I'm going to pull my finger off the trigger. It's just not the day. It wasn't the day yesterday, and now I'm trying to do bottom bounces below VWAP. I mean, the bottom bounces below VWAP, they can be really good, and I've made my fair share of money doing those trades, but this market's a little different, and yesterday was proof of that. So, you know. GameStop, I just distrust it. This just looks all over the place. That doesn't look like that's going to be fun to trade. A little bit of a rebound there. I might take a trade on this, but I gotta just be smart. I mean, part of me is like, let's just punch 20,000 shares, ride it up 10 cents. There we go. We'll be up $1,500 on the day. Call it a day. Why not just do that? Why not just do that? Or should we do the right thing and walk away? Ah, FFIE. The dip within the rip worked, huh? Oh, no. See, 69 up to 78. If I could get a W pattern on this, I might take one W pattern below VWAP, but I ain't gonna push it. And I feel like well, I mean, I feel like I trust myself. So this kind of market kind of calls the herd, and where it just gets slow for an extended period, and you just got to stay patient. It's just, we've had a lot of hot days this year, and so every year is going to be a combination of really hot and really cold and everything in between. So as far as 50-50 scalping goes, I'm just not seeing where that's taking place right now. Depending on how it interacts with the support down here, and if it appears like it's going to give a run back up, if I could catch 5,000 shares in 10 cents, could finish up $200-300 today. I always sell out right before it goes up. Classic. Lost an additional $80 there. Shoot. Yeah, this is Garbo. Garbo. Wow, that's a pretty contentious poll. This thing up to 345 seems feasible. It's choppy AF though. Just look at these candles. That's nearly untradeable. It's like, you see, we're not getting that quick up, quick down. We're just getting just it's at a standstill. It's just no volatility. There's just no volume right now. I'm hoping next week things get better. I think they will be. And if they don't get better, at least I'll be prepared, because we could see this slow market continue into next week too. I mean, anything is possible. We might go through the rest of June in a market like this. There's nothing stopping the universe from producing that. So, this is another thing that kind of makes it hard to be a day trader. Is you kind of go through these elongated slow periods where you're not really going to be making money, but where you're still going to be working actively at not losing a whole lot while also still keeping your toes in the water while also keeping your muscles warmed up. Usually I would buy that, but it's no. No. It's just not worth it. So for a while there, we were getting lucky with being able to trade stuff below VWAP and catch rebounds. Just not we're not getting that in this market. Oh wow, sure enough, this one looks like we could get a rebound. I do not know the price action on this one at all. But I do see a 5-minute bottom and tail on it. It's going to be like a 2-cent win. Oh man, life rolls on. Life rolls on. Let's bring in the public. Let's bring in the public and get ready to. This thing hasn't even moved a single penny since I've watched it. Wow, that's. Am I planning to watch Roaring Kitty stream? No, I wasn't. I haven't kept track of that at all. The Roaring Kitty, I've never had. I don't know if I need extra stuff in my head. I guess I'm not up to date with all the memes. CLEU. Flow? And that's a light volume tick. Light volume ticker. Jack says Ross had a no trade day yesterday and then came back during power hour. Went down 2 times max loss. He finished 10K red. Yeah, that kind of sounds like what I did. I shut down at minus 600. Somebody got me to talking about stuff, and not to say that influenced my decision, but the next thing you know, I was back on with Weeza, and then over the course of the next 2 hours, totally unplanned, but I lost $2,000, which isn't like life ending, but like it's $2,000 just gone. For the dumbest reason. So I spent yesterday, really trying to just let it go. And you know what I realize is when I go up and I tell people, "Oh, I lost $2,000 today or 3,000," and I'm all bummed out, obviously, because I'm thinking about my averages and I'm thinking about the people that are watching me do this live, and I'm just thinking about all that. And what I realize is people they're like, "Bro, that's nothing." They're like, "Look at how much money you've made." So it's like I kind of need that reminder, I guess. But in my mind, I'm like, it's not really about the money. It's about the fact that I just made such a stupid decision. Like instead of getting back on and trading Weeza, I should just went on Amazon and bought $2,000 worth of stuff. I should have just blindly went on Amazon and just spent $2,000 on whatever. I should have just went and bought like an iPad or something, just cause. That would have been a better decision than getting back on and trading when I'm already red and the market's garbage and the stock is just selling off backside below V. I should have just I'll be back in Arizona next week. This GameStop's still moving. Maybe I should just buy 1,000 shares of that and hold it. Hope for a rip back up to $50 a share. Get 14,000 on the day. Shut it down. Feel like a hero. I might as well trade GameStop since it's the only thing moving. I gotta cut that. That doesn't seem that great. I lost $10. Now I don't want to trade this anymore. 250. Let's go to 250. Trying to see if it's gonna pick a direction here. It looks like it's coming down is what it looks like. Let's take a quick gander over here. could get a dub pattern on here. I don't know. This day's garbage. If you guys agree, please hit the like button. No, we're not gonna do that. Everyone, don't hit the like button, please. I don't know, guys. How many minutes are we into the day? We're a lot of minutes into the day already. That's too far below VWAP. I'll go 500. I'm going to look for a really good trade on GameStop. I'm going to take 500 shares. I'm going to see if I can get some money. I'm going to see if I can get a little bit. I'm expecting it to drop. Haul down on GME is 35. I lost some money there. That totally failed. That bottoming tail looks so good. I'm going to go back to 100 shares. Just that way it's not a big deal. See ya. And at... Okay. Okay. Oh, shit. Shoot.